can. I mean, hey y'all. We're in the middle of the mountains right now, literally, in Angel Fire, New Mexico. It's thundering.
Had a little bit of rain, a little bit of hail.
The hail came out of nowhere.
Yeah, it was tiny, pea-sized hail.
Yeah. But, yeah, so yesterday we rode around Red River, where we could ride because it's elk calving season. Elks are having their babies. So we rode up to Cabresto Lake.
We tried to get up to Goose Lake, but the last maybe quarter mile, there was a bunch of people. Yeah, there's a bunch of people sitting up there. They said it was all blocked off and snow-packed. So we didn't make it to Goose Lake. We're on Fire Road 76, I think's what it is, out of Angel Fire, New Mexico. So we're about, shoot, I don't know, probably, I think we're about 10, 15 miles in, and it's a beautiful ride. And this, it's not tight trails, not super rocky trails. It's just like an old fire road. So
it's nice. It's nice riding. It's beautiful. There's some great spots for some really good scenery.
So we're gonna check the weather and see what it looks like. See if we're gonna get rained on anymore.
I'm gonna continue watching for bears
and eating wheat thins.
And eating wheat thins. Make sure they're not poison.
So if the weather clears up a little bit, I may get the drone out and just kind of look around. Get a little more practice flying in.
There's Aunt Crystal.
Yep.
This was our first time riding in Angel Fire, New Mexico. We always go to Red River and we have just not come up this way and we really loved it. This is the kind of riding that the girls and I absolutely love. No crawling, no climbing, although there is a place for that, but just absolutely gorgeous views. Check it out.
What, baby?
What are we gonna stop?
I don't know. Yeah.
Go ask Justin.
Lila wants to know where we're having lunch at.
The bottom of those hills. Oh, she's got some tough pants on to slide down.
What do you think, Uncle Chi-Chi?
I think it's alright. What in the world? Goggles ain't doing no good on your nose.
I don't even have goggles on.
As we got higher in elevation, the trails and the scenery changed. The trails got a little more narrow and the scenery got even more beautiful. Now this ride was in late May, so it was still quite chilly, so keep that in mind if you're heading to Angel Fire. We found a really nice spot to pull over and have some lunch. We got out the snackle boxes and visited for a little bit and tried to stay warm. We had no idea what was in store for us after this lunch.
Well, that don't work for Diddley. Okay, baby girl. All right.
That was fun.
When we left for this ride, we knew we were going to get some weather. We expected the rain in the afternoon, but we did not expect a massive hailstorm. Should we have hunkered down and just rode it out? Maybe. But we were in the higher elevations and we didn't want to get stuck in a bad situation, especially with the girls. So we just headed down the mountain. We tried to outrun it and get back to our truck as soon as we could. Once we made it safely back to the truck and got loaded up, we headed back to our campsite in Eagle Nest.
Almost.
I'm finished up the potatoes.
What's for dinner, chefs?
Pork chops.
I already finished the taco meat. Now finishing up the potatoes. We're gonna have tacos.
Now we get cozy. I'm gonna.
One thing that I personally love about camping is that the guys always want to cook, and we're gonna let them. After everybody got a shower and we had some dinner, we put the sides down on the awning and we all gathered around the fire pits to make some s'mores. We had a really good time on this trip. It was very cold and it was very windy, but the s'mores make everything better. If you haven't purchased side panels for your awning, I would highly suggest it. It was very windy and it was just cutting right through us. It was so cold. But when we put these panels up and threw those fire pits in there, it kept everybody super warm. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more outdoor family adventure content. See y'all out there.
15, 20 miles in.
But it's beautiful.
Depending on how the weather holds out, we may try and get the drone out. What?
I don't.
Yeah? 3G.